If you're experiencing the Cloud Save Error 2026 in League of Legends, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you disable the Cloud Save feature and get back to playing smoothly. Step 1. Open League of Legends client. Launch the League of Legends client on your computer. Ensure that you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access game settings. Once the client is open, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner to open the settings menu. This will allow you to modify various game options. Step 3. Navigate to the General tab. In the settings menu, find and select the General tab. This section contains options related to gameplay and account settings. Step 4. Disable Cloud Save. Look for the option labeled Enable Cloud Save or similar. Uncheck this option to disable the Cloud Save feature, which is often linked to the error you are encountering. Step 5. Restart the client. After disabling the Cloud Save feature, close the League of Legends client completely and then restart it. This will ensure that the changes take effect and help resolve the error. By following these steps, you should be able to disable the Cloud Save feature and fix the error 2026. If the problem persists, consider checking for updates or reaching out to support for further assistance.